The center has informed the Supreme Court that at least 10 Indian citizens have died while fighting in Russia's ongoing war with Ukraine. Appearing before the court, Additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati stated that the deceased were part of a group of 26 Indians whose families have filed a petition seeking their safe return. Of the remaining 16, one individual is currently lodged in a Russian prison, while another had voluntarily joined the conflict. The matter was heard by a bench led by Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, along with Justices Joymala Baghjai and Vipul M. Pancholi, following a habeas corpus plea filed by families who alleged that some Indians were forced into the war after being lured to Russia with job offers. The government indicated that around 215 Indian nationals had travelled to Russia, largely through agents, with many reportedly misled into contracts and later pushed into support or compact roles. Bhati told the court that the center has been in constant touch with all the affected families and has made efforts to repatriate mortal remains, though challenges remain due to the conflict situation. She noted instances of non-cooperation from some families and highlighted the difficulty of conducting DNA identification in a war zone. However, counsel for the petitioners contested this claim, alleging that authorities had not acted effectively despite more than 120 representations and raised concerns over delays in bringing back bodies of the deceased. The court observed that recovery and identification processes in an active conflict zone are inherently complex. The center retaliated that many Indians were duped by agents despite repeated advisories against joining the Russian military. It also informed that 119 Indians have been discharged so far, while efforts continue to secure the release of around 50 others still linked to military service contracts. The issue arises in the backdrop of the Russia-Ukraine war, which began in February 2022 and continues to impact foreign nationals caught in the conflict.